Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Click Digest, and today we have with us the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 and Huawei Ascend Mate side by side, and we are going to compare these two large screen devices in terms of performance, features, specification, price and the value for money proposition they have on the offer. Let's get started. Let me start by talking about the similarities between these two phablet devices, and then we'll talk about the features, differences and what they have on the offer. The Huawei Ascend Mate is a 6.1 inch device, whereas the Doodle 2 is a 5.7 inch device. Both come very close to the 6 inch form factor, which is the new phablet form factor that we are seeing these days. These phablets are very useful for productivity applications, for checking mails, creating content while on the go, as well as for entertainment as well as gaming. Both of them come very close in terms of the display. Talking of the display, both have 720p display, but the quality of display and the contrast levels are slightly better on the Huawei Ascend Mate, as we can see here. The colors are nice on the Doodle 2 as well, but they are slightly more brighter or washed out, whereas the contrast levels and colors are much more balanced on a Huawei Ascend Mate. Talking of the build quality of these two devices, both come with nice build. Both have unibody. The back does not come off. There is a small section which comes off on the Doodle 2, which is only this top section, which can be used to insert SIMs inside it, whereas the Huawei Ascend Mate has some side flaps for accessing the SIM card slot as well as the micro SD card slot for putting the SIMs inside both, except the Huawei Ascend Mate is a single SIM device and accepts a micro SIM, whereas the Doodle 2 is a dual SIM device and accepts normal size SIM. Talking of the memory capacity, the Huawei Ascend Mate has 8GB internal memory, whereas the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 has 16GB internal memory, but there is an expansion slot by adding a micro SD card on this side of the Huawei, whereas there is no expansion on the Canvas Doodle 2, and it gives 10GB user available memory which cannot be expanded, so you have a fixed internal memory on the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2. Talking of the RAM, the Huawei Ascend Mate has 2GB of RAM, whereas the Canvas Doodle 2 has 1GB of RAM, so this one has more RAM and is more suitable for multitasking. The Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 has a 12 megapixel camera at the back, whereas the Huawei Ascend Mate has 8 megapixel camera. Both come with flash. The camera on the Ascend Mate is a backside illuminated, which creates good quality images. Both create nice pictures, but the quality of image on the Huawei Ascend Mate is slightly better when it comes to the overall image clarity, as well as on zooming the pixel breakage is less in the Huawei Ascend Mate. This is a shot for comparison taken of the same objects on the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 and the Huawei Ascend Mate with the camera with normal settings on both the devices. Talking of the front facing cameras, the Huawei Ascend Mate has a 1 megapixel sensor at the front, whereas the camera on the Canvas Doodle 2 has a 5 megapixel sensor on the front, so the megapixels are much higher on the Canvas Doodle 2 when it comes to front camera. When it comes to music playback quality, both produce good quality sound from the speaker as well as the supplied earphones, and they both have FM radio as well as music player pre-installed on these devices. To give you a fair idea of the video playback quality on these two devices, let me play the same video from YouTube on these two devices at the same time. The display brightness has been turned to maximum on both of these at the same time, and let me just play it so that you can see the quality of display when it comes to video playback. From Intellect Digest today, I'm going to give you tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is an incredibly powerful device. As you can see, there is some difference in the display quality of these two devices. The colors are coming out to be more vibrant on the Huawei Ascend Mate, as the contrast levels are better on the display, whereas it is not bad on the Canvas Doodle 2 as well, but it could have been better with the display getting a better contrast rather than the brightness that it has. Talking about the specifications, let me start with the benchmark score of the Antutu benchmark tool, and as you can see, the Huawei Ascend Mate scores 15,716, whereas the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 scores 10,350. This difference is mainly because of the CPU as well as the RAM performance on these two devices. The CPU on the Huawei Ascend Mate is a 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU, whereas it is a 1.2 GHz quad-core on the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2, and there is a considerable difference in the level of performance of these two. As you can see, the benchmarks are coming out to be at least 1.5 times of that of the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 on a Huawei Ascend Mate. This is a considerable difference and is evident from the kind of specifications that they have on the offer. It has 2GB of RAM, it has 1GB of RAM. Another major difference between these two devices or phablets is the battery capacity. The Huawei Ascend Mate comes with a much larger 4050 mAh battery, whereas the Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 comes with a 2600 mAh battery. So considering there is a huge difference in the size of the battery, and this is a dual SIM device, so the battery drainage will be much faster on a Canvas Doodle 2 when it is compared to the Huawei Ascend Mate. So if you want a longer battery life, Huawei Ascend may be a better choice in that case. There is a considerable price difference in these two phones. The Canvas Doodle 2 retails somewhere close to 20,000 rupees in India, and the Ascend Mate retails at a price of around 25,000. So this is a considerable difference between these two devices. So the Canvas Doodle 2 is not a bad device at all when it comes to the kind of features and specification it has on the offer, and it comes with a stylus as well, which is bundled, and there is a flip cover which has magnetic stand inbuilt. So considering the overall package, the Canvas Doodle 2 is not a bad offering. On the other hand, the Huawei Ascend Mate is more premium, looks more smart, has more features, more specification, and comes more loaded. Talking of the software version, the Huawei Ascend Mate comes with Android Jelly Bean 4.1, whereas the Canvas Doodle 2 comes with Android Jelly Bean 4.2, which is an advantage because a newer version means better features and better battery optimization. Summing up the review, both devices offer good features and specification in the price segment in which they are priced in. Huawei Ascend Mate is more premium, better looking, is more sleek, and feels better to hold in hand in terms of build quality as well as the overall build and features it has on the offer. Micromax Canvas Doodle 2 on the other hand is also not a bad offering if you are looking for a phablet device close to 6-inch in a price segment of rupees 20,000. This is all we have on a detailed comparison of the Huawei Ascend Mate and Micromax Canvas Doodle 2. If you like our video, please press the like button below. If you have a question or query, please feel free to ask us in the comment section below. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.